fatigue, obesity, damaged organs, specifically liver and heart, diabetes. There are just few of the health risks of eating junk food. Do you want to be free of these sicknesses? I have all the information you need to be free from the physical, emotional, and financial harms of eating junk food. Junk foods like candy, fast food, and chips have too much salt, plus they have loads of stater fat. Soft drinks and other rest have loads of sugar that makes them taste so good. Junk food and processed food in general is typically much higher in salt than freshly prepared food. Most people in the US regularly consume significantly more sodium than is necessary, leading to an increased risk of high blood pressure. According to an article titled Negative Effects of Eating Junk Foods, Lori Buenavista states, junk food is simply defined as food that does not have any nutritional value. The bad thing about them is that we can find them almost anywhere. Health experts call them junk because they lack the right amount of nutrients needed by the body. There are so many examples of junk food. Many of us love to eat sweet desserts, French fries, salted snacks, foods, candy bars, and even carbonated drinks. Are we surprised to find out that the foods that we are almost junk foods? There are many negative effects of eating unhealthy foods. They are often associated with heart problems, obesity, diabetes, lack of energy, decreased life expectancy, poor concentration, constipation, lethargy, and other diseases. Although they tend to be tempting and delightful, it can be treated to human health. Like we have said, they can cause heart problems. They are also high in fat and they are not favorable for the entire body. If the artery is already blocking with fat, the person may experience a heart attack or heart failure. Another negative effect of eating unhealthy foods include low or poor energy. They do not supply the right amount of valuable nutrients needed by the body. And the result is that we often lack the energy to do the job. In addition, we tend to have poor ability to concentrate whenever we eat those unhealthy foods. The brain does not function well because there is no essential nutrient in the food that we eat. We can also have high cholesterol level. In that situation, the entire body will suffer. Also, when people always eat fast foods like burgers and fries, they tend to have a higher risk of being obese. Obesity is one of the most obvious negative effects of eating junk foods. Also, all processed foods do not contain healthy fiber that is commonly found in fruits and vegetables. So the tendency is that people become constipated. There are so many negative effects of eating junk foods. It is extremely vital for us to eat healthy nutrient foods in this regard. The next time we will order lunch deliveries in the office, try to order healthy plates from a credible restaurant, just like what Ogenda restaurant always serves to their customers. Choose to live a healthy life, eat healthy, nutritious foods all the time, always prepare health and for the entire family. Health issues. Eating too much junk food cause some serious health problems. Junk food contains fat, with people eating a lot of it can become overweight. Plus, there is an issue with children eating too much junk food. If the child heart starts eating too much junk food from an early age in the future, they can suffer from heart diseases, cancer, high blood pressure, or diabetes. Obesity is another harmful way junk food can hurt you. Eating a lot of junk food and with a lack of exercise, people can become obese and suffer from health problems and diseases. Studies reveal that as early as the age of 30, arteries could begin clogging and lay the groundwork for future heart attacks. Most of the time, these junk foods contain colors that are laced with colors. Those are often harmful to the body. Those foods and their colors can affect digestive systems. Junk food is simply defined as food that does not have any nutritional value. There are a lot of negative effects from eating too much junk food. One of the most common is you can become overweight from all the fat that the junk food has inside of it. It is also low on nutritional value, which means people do not feel as full when they eat them, which lead to overeating. Junk food also replaces other more nutritious foods. For example, when people drink lots of soda, they are usually not getting plenty of low-fat dairy or other healthy beverages. Another negative effect is that it affects you by giving you low or poor energy. Also, people who eat lots of junk food tend to be more depressed than people who don't. Now that you have heard about junk food and negative effects it brings to the body, will these foods be in your grocery cart? Think twice of what you eat so that you will be free of suffering from fatigue, obesity, damaged liver, and heart and diabetes. Remember, what you are is what you eat.